Hey guys, let's work on that jumping side kick combo we do in class. It has 3 kicks in it. Slide out lead leg side kick, step rear leg side kick, spring step side kick. Now let's work on all 3 of those now. When I do my lead leg side kick, I want to make sure I have my nice strong fighting stance. But the number one thing when I do my side kick is I want to make sure my leg comes up in a front kick chamber and then I drive out to the side. So if I'm facing you guys so you can see the angle, my lead leg comes all the way up, my ankle is under my knee, and I push to the side. I see a lot of common mistakes where some people will have that leg curled like they're doing a round kick, and it becomes this like mixed motion where a hybrid kick, where we're kind of thrusting, kind of slashing with that kick. You want to make sure that leg comes all the way up straight and then thrust to the side. One more time for that lead leg side kick. We come up and thrust. Now, for that rear leg side kick, very important we have that pivot on the lead leg. I want to come all the way over with my pivot and then come all the way up in front of me like I'm in a front kick chamber and then thrust out to the side. One more time from another angle. I want to take my rear leg after I pivot my front leg, come all the way up in front of my body and then thrust out to the side. Now let's work on that spring step. When I do my spring step, it's the opposite version of the round kicks dragon step. I want to take my lead leg and I want to go behind my rear lead leg. Then my lead leg comes up and kicks. One more time. My rear leg comes behind, then my lead leg kicks. If I show you one more time from another angle, my rear leg comes behind, my lead leg kicks. Now let's work on that side kick combo, nice and slow motion. I want to slide up, ankles together, lead leg comes up, thrust out to the side. Pivot my lead, my rear leg comes all the way up in front, thrust out, bring it back in, and step down. When I spring step, I come all the way behind so I can feel that spring in my lead leg. Then I thrust it out, and I bring it back down. I fire off that jab, twist out straight for that cross, and then turn. A little bit faster up to normal speed. I want to slide up and lead, pivot, step, rear, spring step, kick, jab, cross, turn. A little bit faster. Slide up, hiya, step, hiya, spring step, hiya, jab, cross. One more as fast as it goes. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Thanks for following along with me, guys. Have a great rest of your day.